another video. So in this video I will talk about how to use a PS3 controller into a Windows just with the help of a USB dongle. So first of all, you really need a USB dongle and nothing else. So first plug it into your PC. Then I will provide the link in the description to download this software. So after downloading software, this folder will come out. Open this, then go to bin, and after going to bin, then insert your USB dongle into your PC. Wait. So now I inserted my USB dongle. After inserting it, start the SCP driver, run as administrator, then click install and wait for a little bit. So yes, it's installed. Then what you'll do is just press the PlayStation button, and after pressing it, wait for some time, and by this open SCP monitor 2, SCP monitor, yes, and after opening it, and you can see that there is number 1 light is turned on. That means it is connected to your PC. Now we can play games. Another thing I forgot to mention, that you have to install with Xbox 360 controller too. So install which is compatible with your system. So open it, and my one is already installed, so you won't get this warning. I don't know what to say. Okay, so we are done with this now. So see you on my next video. Hope it works, and it will work, I think. And if you have any further questions, let me know in the comment below. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye.